Creating a website just takes too much time. It's too expensive. It's too difficult. I have no idea what to write it. Well, it's normal to have these thoughts when thinking about creating a website, especially if you own a small business or are just starting out. But I promise you, with the right tools, you will learn how easy it is to create a business website in no time. Let's get into it. When building a website, it's important to define its main goal. This helps you choose the right design, structure, and functionality and avoid unnecessary elements that take up your time. For example, the website's main focus might be selling products, providing information, or generating leads. With Hostinger's Website Builder, you can easily achieve any of these goals as it offers customizable templates, easy-to-use drag-and-drop functionality, and other essential features like e-commerce, SEO, and AI tools. And no coding or other technical skills are needed. To get started, click on the first link in the description of this video. Once you open the Hostinger Website Builder's landing page, click on Claim Deal and choose the best plan that suits your needs. I urge you to choose the business plan as it offers many features that can help you create your business website, such as AI tools for quick content generation and e-commerce functionality to launch your online store. But if you're still unsure about the plans, start up a conversation with the AI sales assistant and he'll answer all of your questions. The next step is to choose the plan's duration. For the biggest savings in the long run, choose the 4-year plan. You'll also get a free domain name for 1 year. Then just fill out your information and apply our special coupon code WB10. Just add it over here and it will grant you an additional 10% off your plan. After you make your purchase, you'll see this window. This, my friend, is the start of your website creation journey. To begin with, choose between an AI website builder flow or a pre-made template. This time I'm going with the AI builder, and this is the reason why. The AI builder makes the creation process more efficient and personalized as it creates the site based on your description. So, go ahead and select the site's type. I'm going to pick a business showcase. After that, fill in your brand's name and leave a description of what your business is doing and how you imagine your website to look. For example, this is a small nail business website. We offer high quality manicures and pedicures and have over 7 years of experience. The site should be delicate and light. If you want to choose a color scheme, click on personalization settings over here or leave the decision to the AI. Finally, hit create a website and the AI builder will create your website in literally under a minute. After it's complete, you will see a preview of the website that the AI builder has just generated. As you can see, the text and pictures already resemble the business description you submitted, but don't worry, you can edit it however you like. So, without wasting any more time, let's roll up our sleeves and start customizing the site so that it shines with your brand's identity. Hit Edit Site and you'll be taken to the website admin area where all the magic happens. And don't forget, here you're in full control. For instance, if you want to move this text to the side, simply click on it, drag it to wherever you want. Easy, right? The same goes for pictures, buttons, and other elements too. You want to change the text and how it looks? You can edit the content, configure its font or size in this menu over here. Or if you struggle with writing captivating text, just hit on AI Writer, leave a description of what kind of text you need and let it do the job for you. You can rearrange the whole page's appearance by resizing the sections or adding new ones. Once again, you can even ask AI to generate one for you based on your needs. Images are also not a problem. There's no need for you to buy a new camera or start photography courses. Well, unless you want to. There's a wide variety of images and videos available in the library. Let's add a nice little video over here in the hero section. You can type in a keyword of what you're looking for over here. For example, nail polish. And voila, it looks way better, right? But if you can't find the image you're looking for, you can just quickly make one yourself. Just hit on Generate Image, tell the AI image generator what you want to see in the picture, and then pick a style. Let's try something like a woman is doing a manicure to another woman. And for the style, I'll go with digital art. Then click on Create Images and watch as the AI generates images in only a few moments. Now, let's move forward with the most important image of all, the logo. It is an essential part of your brand's identity and helps boost its visibility and credibility. To make the logo visible on your website, go to the header section and click on Edit Header. Then select Logo and upload yours over here. You can also control its size and position over here. If you're just starting out, chances are you don't have a logo yet. And that's not a big deal because you can use Hostinger's AI Logo Maker for that. Just click over here and you'll go to the AI Logo Maker's page. It works the same as with the image generator. Type in what you want and let the AI do the work for you. The AI will generate some options for you to choose from. You can edit them by adding your brand's name or slogan and then download them once you're done. One last thing about logos though. Have you noticed that there are these little logos on the website tabs? These are called favicons, and you can add them to your site as well. Just click on the three dots on the sidebar, select General Settings, and then favicon. Upload your logo and it will be visible on the tab. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about website pages. Poor website navigation can be a real headache for your visitors, and it's one of the key things distinguishing a good website from a bad one. Having clearly defined pages can improve the user experience by helping people find the information they need quickly and efficiently. The About and Contact pages, for example, build trust by showcasing your brand's personality, values, and accessibility. The About page should present your brand's history or personal background. You can add team members here and mention your company's values and mission. Meanwhile, the Contact page should contain information on how to get in touch with you. The home page serves as the entry step to your website, providing a brief overview of what you offer. I suggest keeping the design uncluttered. Provide just a brief introduction of what the brand is about, and then add call to action buttons like learn more or get started to navigate the user to other pages such as services, where you can describe each service or product and share pricing or other related information. As you've probably noticed, these main pages have already been created using the website builder's AI flow. But what if you need other pages like FAQ or blog? Well, sadly, you'll just have to learn how to live without them. Just kidding, you can easily add them yourself. To add a new page, head to the left sidebar and choose Pages and Navigation. Then hit Add Page and choose the type of page that you want, or ask the AI to generate one for you by providing a page description. And you know what? I'll do just that. Let's say it's an FAQ page for the Nails and Susan Salon. It contains frequently asked questions and answers to them. The page should be minimal and clear. When the page is created, you can add a new section and choose the FAQ template. And that's it. You can now add the questions and your answers. A well-constructed page with proper meta tags and relevant content can also improve your site's SEO. So keep that in mind and try to maintain a consistent tone and structure across all pages while using relevant keywords into your copy. Speaking of keywords, I want to remind you about the AI Writer. If you want to save time and effort, just provide the AI Writer with a description and some main keywords and it will generate SEO-friendly content in no time. For instance, I want a text for my About page. Let's try something like this. A story of a nail artist with 7 years of experience. She has learned how to do high-quality manicures and pedicures independently and practice amongst the best of professionals. And done. Only seconds later, you get a piece of text that you can edit the way you want or try again with another prompt. The website builder also has SEO settings over here. As you can see, it shows you the problematic SEO areas with the yellow exclamation marks. So just follow the tips and edit the text accordingly. Or you can also use an AI SEO assistant. It works similarly to the other AI tools, so just drop the page's description, choose the main keywords, and see how it will appear in search engines with the SEO title and meta description. Now, let's shift our focus to e-commerce. If you need a website not only to showcase your business, but to actually sell products or manage appointments, I've got you. With hosting your website builder, you can start making money online without any additional plugins or complex setups. To add e-commerce features, go to the sidebar and choose Online Store. Then click on Add Store and you'll soon see a new page for your products. Afterwards, come back to the sidebar and hit the Manage Store button. Right off the bat, the website builder will ask you to select the country and currency in which you wish to sell your goods. Once you do that, you'll appear in the Store Managers area where you can edit your store, add products, choose a payment method, and more. So for starters, I recommend you stick to this checklist. So the first thing on the list is products. Just click Add Product and choose whether it's a service, digital goods, or a physical product. You may include the item's picture and add details about it underneath. To save time, you could ask the AI to assist you by choosing Generate Text. The AI will use the image of your product and create a description for you. Okay, so you have your product's picture right here, right? But what if you don't like its background? Or maybe you want it to be consistent with all the images? Say no more. The AI can remove the background of your images and you can even pick a color instead. That sure is convenient. Now, moving on, you'll have to select the price and product options if there is any. For example, if I'm selling nail polish in red and yellow, I can add the options and hit save. By the way, if you have digital products you want people to download for free, you can change the price type to free over here. After you've filled out the information, hit save. Your product will automatically appear on the product list, which you can access right here. By the way, if you're selling physical products, I've got great news for you. Hostingers recently released a feature that lets you add physical products in bulk. This means that instead of creating products one by one, you can create up to 10 products at once with the help of AI. Just hit this button when selecting the product type, upload up to 10 pictures of different goods, and the AI will now create the product title, description, and prices for them. You can, of course, edit them by clicking on each product, and this can really save you lots of time, so be sure to check it out. Now, let's get back to our website editor and take a look at the product pages. Click on Online Store and then on Products. Then select the product you want to check and you'll open the product page. If you want to edit something, hit this button over here and you can customize the product section any way that you want. You can select a different layout, gallery placement, image corner radius, and more. You can also change the color of the text and arrows on product images as well as the section background to a different color or image. In the same way, you can edit the buttons and either allow or disallow your clients to choose product quantity by enabling or disabling the quantity picker. You may edit each page individually, or if you want them to look all the same, hit on Apply to All at the bottom. By the way, if you want to access other product page settings, click on the Settings wheel. Here, you can edit the page's URL or put a password on it to limit access and so on. Now, let's talk about your product's inventory. To be able to easily track your product's inventory, go to the Store Management area, then to Products, and click on one you want to edit. In the product settings, scroll down a bit and click the Track Quantity button to enable inventory tracking. And then just type in the quantity. The amount of each product will automatically be reduced after every sale. Likewise, products will be automatically refilled if an order is cancelled. You can also specify the quantity of the different product options by clicking on Manage Variants. Make sure to enable Track Quantity and then type in each option's amount. Now, let's step away from the products and talk about money. If you want to start selling products online, you must find a way to collect money from buyers. In your Stores Manager's dashboard, click on Add Payments and you'll see the possible online payment providers based on your location. Pick the best one for you and hit Connect. Then, follow the steps to connect your account and start accepting payments. And that's all there is to it. Okay, I know that by now you're excited to finally publish your site, but there's just a few things that we need to discuss. One of them is connecting your site to a domain name. A domain name is a unique website name on the internet, like website.com. Try to think of a short, catchy, and clear name that would represent your brand the best. Once you think of a great domain name, click the Connect Domain button at the top. Just type in your name into the bar, choose the extension, for example, .org or .net, or the most popular one, .com, and see if it's not taken. After selecting the domain, simply finish the registration process and your site will be connected to it. The next thing I want you to look at is this little phone icon at the top. Your website will be displayed slightly differently on mobile phones, so if you want to see how it will look, hit this icon right here. The mobile version is already displayed pretty neatly, but if you have any changes in mind, you can easily make them by dragging the items around, changing sizes and so on, the same way you do with the desktop version. So alright, the end is around the corner. If you're happy with how your website looks, your last step is to hit the Go Live button and your site will be officially ready for everyone to visit. Congratulations, you've just launched your first business website. I told you it's gonna be easy. Or was it? Let us know about your website creation process in the comments section below the video. Leave us a like if you enjoyed the video and check out our channel for more helpful videos like this one. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.